Today, I just wanted to show you how to use the ticked off original tick remover. I found this to be a good tool for removing ticks from dogs. I've never used it on myself personally because I've never let the ticks get that attached. But for dogs, what's nice is that it's got this nice handle, and it's, in my opinion, easier to use than tweezers if a tick is latched on. So how it works and how you're going to use it is wherever you find the tick, right? You're going to approach from just on the other side of the tick, and you're going to push down fairly hard on the skin or surface of your dog or the fur, and you're not going to pry up like this. What you're going to do is you're just going to push forward slowly, and it's got these really precise edges that will basically catch the tick's body and its head and lift it up into that to get it to release. So the key is find kind of the right angle. Sometimes, depending on the musculature, you may need to change that as well as your dog's moving around. But get that angle and then push forward. Just push forward. Don't scoop or anything like that. Push forward and it will get that tick to release with that edge right there. And what I like this about, other than tweezers, is you're less likely to break off the tick head from the body because it's pulling from the head rather than the body, and that's one of the issues you can have. You don't want to let that head get embedded on the tick. So thanks for watching how to use the original tick off tick remover.